Katina, and in this video I'm going to show you the buzz the reed exercise. This is a great exercise to help you get the tip of your tongue right there to the tip of the reed right about here. So what we're going to do with this exercise is play an open G, and you're going to hold it and sustain it with good muscle support for your air in your abs, and you're going to drive that air through the clarinet. So you'll play a whole note, and then you're going to gently rest the tip of your tongue on the tip of the reed while you continue to drive that air through the clarinet, and you're going to feel the reed vibration on your tongue. It will sound like this. And you're going to feel that buzz. So as the reed gets a little resistant feeling, I want you to drive that air even more through there so it will bounce your tongue off of the reed. Keep it close so that it just bounces and goes right back. It should feel like the buzz that you get if you've ever tasted anything that's fermented that wasn't supposed to ferment that way, like maybe some bad yogurt or salsa, which has maybe or maybe not happened to me. So that's what the buzz feels like. Some of my students say it's very tickly, but you'll feel that buzz. Once you do the buzz, you're going to move into some 8th notes and then 16th notes, 4 groups of each. So I'll play it straight through for you. And all the while you're driving that air through the clarinet. It's a big misunderstanding with articulation. A lot of people think it's stopping the air, but it's not. It's stopping that reed from vibrating just for that split second. So think about if you've ever seen the lawn watering systems where it is the stream of water that goes like that, and there the little hammer just hits it for a second and interrupts that stream. That's what's happening with your reed. You're just interrupting that vibration that's in there. A lot of times I'll see young players, well, they'll do a glottal stop. They'll close off their throat to tongue, or they will take the tip of their tongue and anchor it behind their bottom teeth and tongue with the middle of the tongue. So this exercise will help you stop doing that and get your tongue on the reed in the right spot. Once you get that down and you are able to play over the break, the next one you want to do it on is the full B. It's a resistant note and it can be a grunty note for beginners. A lot of times we don't use enough air going over the break to that B, so this will help you get more air drive through the B, and it will help you with the feeling of what it feels like with articulating on the B. Here we go. So it's all about driving that air through the clarinet. Any questions, comments, post them below. What exercises do you use to help you articulate better on the clarinet? And don't forget to subscribe by hitting that clarinet hand icon so you don't miss the next videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.